Amplifier enjoyer?
Nice
Yo,
and
Rocket Man? Thank you for the follow, I appreciate you. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. King Anime, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh. Okay. You need to be a rocket main to enjoy the amplifier? Real! Real. Bro, can I put my hair back on? Thanks. God.
Can I have?
That's all you! That's all you, team! Ready for that yummy yummy? I'm waiting for it.
Do you have it? Do you have it? Yummy, yummy! Yummy, yummy!
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Well, I may have said GG too quick. He really waited for me? Insane.
Yeah, that's gonna have to do it. Yeah, you guys have to combo it here.
Oh, you ulted? Frick.
Yeah, I thought Jeff was alive. You can ult this in.
What?
Oh my god.
Spit me out! Spit me out!
Oh my god.
Dude, we don't need the combo.
We just need Jeff.
Thank you. That scared me. Whiffy, you scared the fuck out of me. She was about to go off with me, bro. I was like, spit me out. Oh my.
They didn't use Field of Wrath. Can you ult when they Field the Wrath? Or when they use a team up? You can kill it through the ult.
Oh, here we go. Oh no no no
Let me ult.
Oh god, no. Okay, well. Ayoshi. Hi, Panda. Oh my god. Oh, wait, I wonder if Whiffy's getting the assist from Jakey? Question mark?
Holy cow.
Guys, we don't need to push that much further, please. 15 seconds? Phantom, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Oh my god. No, please. No, please. No, please. No.
Can we touch?
No.
Can we touch? Can we touch?
Please, bro. Please. Please, bro. Please. Please. No. 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 Go. Go. Oh shit. Wait, that's theirs? Oh. Okay. Ooh. That sucked.
Oh no.
Oh, wow. Wow. New rule, don't call GG till the end of the game. You jinx it too often. Oh my god. Jakey wants you to pay him the coach. Oh, I don't give a fuck. Run that shit back. It was really close. It was a really close game, but fuck. Please never let me play on Punisher again. Okay, if you want to go heals and you want me to DPS, I can, I guess. I don't even know anymore. You weren't even bad. Oh. Oh! Okay, I'm not. I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything. I didn't even. I didn't even. Okay. So like, okay, but here's the problem. You just didn't get those final kills because I wasn't healing, right? Aiming with him feels so weird. I have Lord Punisher and I never want to play him again. You see why I said what I said? I thought you were doing great. I thought, yeah, but like you did so much damage. Look, wait, no, it's fine. Bad game. Just, it's fine. Ray, thank you for the follow. Oh my god. The Punisher's stinky. It's okay. Gothy, we just, we go Bucky forever. We love Bucky. Play Spider-Man. Okay, don't play Spider-Man. Don't listen. Hi, June. Oh, games are great. Thank you for asking. Wanna see my career right now? Who added me?